there is no difference between tribalism and racism. It's easier for most of you to blame King Charles III for not shaking this black man. But both of you are still doing the same thing when you refuse to vote the best candidate because it's not from your tribe. Sentiment and tribalism is even worse than COVID-19 pandemic. As the election is coming forth, watch the next video and see what Obi need to say concerning the old folks who are still campaigning to take over the mantle of leadership. But Atiku and Tinubu does not deserve to be in the equation, even though we can say that they have done their own part. But as it is now, Nigeria deserves someone who has the character we can trust and competency and capacity to move the nation forward. Leave tribalism before tribalism kill all of us.
That yes, because they've contributed in the past and everything, doesn't necessarily mean that, oh well, they have to stay forever and forever. No. You know, we must have a situation where people have done their bit and everything, they have to organize for it, and then they move on, and then things move on.
Right.
It's like Brazil is today. They recognize that Pele was sometime a star, a fantastic footballer. But they're not going to field him in today's match because, of course, he knows that things have to move on.
So your supporters are going to disagree with you on that. They're going to say, and I've asked you this before, that they're going to say this conciliatory tone doesn't work. As far as they are concerned, these are the guys that ruined the country.
No, my supporters will understand. No, they will agree with me. They know, because they, for me, they remain my respected elder brothers. Right. I was brought up to respect my seniors, especially when my seniors have one way or the other contributed. They have done their own bit. Their bit might not be the best, but you have to recognize it and say, well, there was a time these people helped to keep the whole thing going. You don't go and say, okay, let's throw them away. Let's do this. The only thing I'm saying is that where we are today, it requires somebody with the character we can trust, competence, capacity, commitment. This is a job that requires physical and mental energy because the country is in a mess.